But make a long story short, I was driving for the daycare, and some of y'all know, and we had an accident. I had about 4 or 5 kids on the van, coming up Elvis Presley. This gentleman ran the red light. He was about 80 years old. Ran the red light, hit the van broadside, the van flipped over. My arm was caught outside the van. Another child lost 2 fingers on the van. A couple other kids were hurt. But we had to go to court. In fact, I never will forget. I was laying there bleeding on one of my arms, so I had to go to the hospital. Well, the police showed up at the hospital with a ticket for me. So I called Dad, and they said, well, we got prepaid legal. Call and see what they can represent you. Because, you know, now you're looking at a situation where they're going to sue me, sue the daycare. But I called prepaid. I called my corporate lawyer. I picked up that number. I picked up that phone call and called prepaid legal and told them my situation. They said, okay, no problem, Mr. Jackson, we got you covered. I said, that's all? I said, yeah, we got you covered. They said, as soon as you get out and everything, just kind of call us back and tell us exactly what happened. But anyway, we wound up going to court on this ticket, and there were 3 witnesses. There were 2 that said I ran the light. There was 1 that said I had the green light. And the old man was there that hit me. He said, I don't know what I hit. I thought I hit a pole. He was about 80 years old. But this guy, the lawyer that I met with, he was a very professional gentleman. He wasn't a regular attorney. He was a corporate lawyer. So you're getting corporate representation. He was a corporate lawyer. He knew what he was doing. I mean, he walked in the courtroom and he went up there and said something to the judge. He said, Judge, I want the lockout clause. And I didn't know what that meant, but the judge said, okay, this means that every witness has to sit outside while the other give their testimony.
Awesome.
So anyway, when after the lawyer did all of that, come to find out only one person really saw what happened. And that was the person that said that I had the green light. And this corporate lawyer, when he got through, the judge dismissed and threw everything out that was against me at the daycare.
Amen.
Because of that representation that I had. So when me and the attorney was going out of the courtroom, I said, okay, what do I owe you? He said, you clean, you good. My monthly membership, I think it's still the same, $26 a month, $25 I think if you want. I gave you that was $2 or $3 more. My monthly membership paid for me to have that corporate representation in court. And the daycare wasn't sued, the church wasn't sued, Ivory wasn't sued, and I thank God for prepaid legal.